Hi children, good morning. Hope you all are keeping well. So, in the previous class we have studied about the food we get from different types of plants and the different types of plants. Today we will start a new chapter, that is bird. You can see the bird here. The bird chapter, that is from lesson 3. Birds are an amazing group of animals. You can see the bird here. The name of this bird is pigeon. It is an amazing group of animals that have the ability to fly. They are warm-blooded creatures with wings and feathers. You can see the wings and the feathers. Now you see, they are warm-blooded animals. Means they maintain their body temperature higher than their environment by some metabolic processes like contraction of muscles, etc. The boat-shaped body, you can see the shape of this body, bird's body is just like boat. This boat-shaped body and the wings help the birds to fly. When the birds fly, suppose they are flying in this direction. If they want to change the direction, they take the help of the tail. With the help of this tail, they change the direction while flying. Now you can see these birds also have backbone but are different from other mammals. They are having two types of feathers. In their wings you can see these feathers are big. These are called flight feathers. And the body you can see, this body is covered with small feathers. They are called down feathers. So down feathers are very small, soft and fluffy. They keep the bird's body warm. But the flight feathers are attached to the wings. They are attached to the wings. They help the birds to fly. They are long and flat. Now we will see the beaks. Now see the beak. You can see the beak here. Beak is an external structure found mostly in birds. Different kinds of birds have different types of beaks. You can see, I'll show you the pictures of different types of beaks. Different birds have different types of beaks. Like here, you can see the sparrow having this type of beak. And the hooked beak, parrot is having hooked beak. You can see the beak is curved little bit like this. Next we will see the eagle, vulture or hawk. They are having this type of beak. Little bit bent in front. The duck is having flat and broad beak. Now the woodpecker is having long beak that is very hard. Now you can see the swallows having a very small beak. The kingfisher having long beak. And the sunbird, this bird is having long, thin and pointed beak. So different birds have different types of beaks. The beaks are designed according to their food habit. It depends upon the kind of food they eat. Sometimes they use their beak for killing the prey, for fighting or for picking up the food and eating. So it depends upon the different types of food habit. Different birds have different food habit. Like some birds they eat the seeds or the fruits. Some birds they eat the insects. Like different birds eat different types of food, so they have different types of beaks. The beaks are designed according to their food habit. They also use their beak. They make the different types of nest according to their suitability. Now we will see the feet and claws. You can see here the birds are having feet and claws. Birds use their feet and claws in walking, climbing and perching. Sometimes the birds also use their claws for self-defense also. The birds have the claws which have long curved nails. Can you see the nails here? The claws are having long curved nails. So birds, different different types of birds have different types of feet also and claws. Next we will see the nest. Now we will see the nest. Most birds live in nest, which are set up or attached on the trees or roofs of houses. A bird nest is a symbol of home. It is their shelter. As we all are having the homes where we live, so birds are also living in their nest. So they build their nest just like their home. They lay their eggs in the nest, and the nest depends upon the size of the bird. If the birds are small, they will build up small nest. If the birds are big, they build according to their body size. And the nests are of different shapes. Like you can see here, the woodpecker, they make the nest like this. You can see it is long little bit, then it is just like a cup shape, then again it is long here. Here is the passage to go inside. Now you can see the vulture's nest. They have made the nest with the sticks. Now you can see the tailor bird nest. They make their nest with the help of the leaves. Woodpecker's nest, they cut the wood and make a hole in the tree trunk and make the nest here. You can see here the sparrow's nest. It is looking so beautiful, just like a saucer. And the kingfisher's nest, in the ground, they make a hole. The bank of the river. Now, they lay their eggs in the nest. So you have seen the different shapes nest. Sometimes the birds use the different materials to make the nest. Some birds use the leaves, some use the hair, wool, sticks, etc. So according to the bird, according to their habit, according to their the comfort, they make their nest. So birds are the beautiful creation of God. Birds are also kept as pets. Many people, they love to keep the birds as the pet animals. Therefore, they are the domestic friend for human beings. Birds bring a beautiful addition to the sea. Many people love the birds. Like pet animals, we keep parrot. Many times, many people, they love to keep the parrot as their pet animals. So other birds also, sometimes the people keep as pet animals. So children, I think you all have understood and you have seen the different parts of the bird's body, like the beaks, the claws on the feet, the different types of feathers which help the birds to fly, and the whole body is covered with the down feathers which help the birds to keep the bird's body warm. The flight feathers help the birds to fly. In this way, hope you all have understood. The birds, according to their food habit, they build the nest and they have different types of food habit. All the birds, they don't eat the same type of food. Some eat the seeds, some eat insects or some nectar, like that. And hope you all have understood. You don't have any problem. And go through the chapter properly, study nicely and teach.